guys, Assalamualaikum. Today for this video, I'm going to share ICT paper 3 data analysis and website authoring for May June 2017. So we focus on data analysis, task 3, page 6, task 3 spreadsheet. Okay, so Tawarawet use a spreadsheet to record the hours work each week and calculate each employee's pay. All currency values are in dollars with 2 decimal places. Use the most efficient methods to create this spreadsheet. Okay, so question number 10, open and examine the file 1731em.csv in the spreadsheet package. So the first thing we go to Excel, file, open, desktop, May June 2017, 17 okay, this one, and then we click here and double click here. Okay, next, save this file as a spreadsheet with the file name 172 and your candidate number, for example, like this. You should save your file, save as. Make sure inside the same folder, candidate number, for example 1515, and you save as Excel workbook. Then place your name, center number, and candidate number center aligned in the header of the page. Your name, center number, and candidate number center aligned. Okay, so go to insert, header and footer. Yeah, so slow. Okay, at the center, inside place your name, center number, and candidate number 1515, and I just put 0011 as center number, and then on the left in the footer, add the text last edited on, followed by today's date automated and time automated. Last edited on. Go to footer, left, and then we put last edited on. Date, insert current date and space and current time. Okay, if you can see current dates and current time. Then merge cell A1 to G1, cell A1 to G1. Make it smaller a bit. Here until G1. Yeah. Merge center. Then format this merge cell so that text is center aligned with a white 24-point sans serif font. It has a dark green background color, 24 points. So change to 24 points with dark green background. This dark green, and then white font color. What else? Center aligned with a white 24-point sans serif dark green color. So if the question mentions sans serif, means you can choose either Calibri or Arial. Okay, this one Calibri. Then question number 12, use cells A5 to B14 to create a name range called JC. So my previous video already mentioned about how to create a name range or name cell, right? A5 to B14. Which one? A5? A5 here to B14. Okay, here. Right click, you highlight, right click, and then define name. You want to put as a JC, right? So you click JC, then okay. After this, if you highlight this one, it will represent JC here. Then evidence 6, take a screenshot evidence of the creation of this name range and place this in your evidence document. Oh, I forgot to screenshot. Yeah, you highlight and define name. You want to screenshot this one. You can use snipping tool. You just crop this one, copy, put inside your evidence 6, right? Under evidence 6. So paste here, just like this. Okay, then in cell D18, enter a function to look up the job description for this employee. D18, enter a function to look up the job description for this employee. Okay, so which one? D18? D18. Yeah. Okay, D18. We want to look up from the job code with which if X job description is what. So we can see the job code and job description are given here. Means if X here, job description should be junior web developer. So how to look up this one? You just put your cursor here, go to function, insert function, VLOOKUP, okay, and then which lookup value we want job code, right? You put your cursor to A18, table array, this one, already set as JC just now. You can directly click JC if you know the name range, and then 2 because we want this job description at the second column, and then range lookup you can type false or 0, then okay. So if you can see here, junior web X represent junior web developer. Yeah, correct. I think I want to move it a bit too big. Okay. And then what else? In cell G18, enter a formula to calculate the pay for this employee. This will look up the rate of pay from the pay rates table and multiply it by the number of hours worked. This formula must be include an absolute range to relative reference and must not include a name range. Okay, for this question, you need to know, the first thing you need to know is about absolute range if relative reference. So absolute range means if you want to use absolute range, you just type click F4 in your keyboard, and the dollar sign will appear. If you had to apply a formula to many cells but did not need to refer to relative cells, so that's represent absolute range. Means like select the cells, then give them dollar sign symbol, then they do not change or still remain the same. When a relative references means cell will adjusting. If you had to apply a formula to many cells, spreadsheet will replicate, means it will follow. You just drag and drop, and then the same formula will follow. You don't have to write a new formula in each cell. Okay, this question number 14 I will continue in the next video.